Now, what is autoloader with schema evolution? Imagine filling cabinet that automatically adds new drawers. Just like this, the new drawers are getting added whenever documents arrive with extra sections. Autoloader with schema evolution in Databricks works the same way. It detects new columns in incoming files that updates the table schema without manual changes. This ensures pipelines remain flexible and continue ingesting data smoothly as structure evolves. The result is adaptive, governed ingestion that supports dynamic datasets over time. Let's meet in our next lecture.